Today I wanted to share with you a little bit of a storytelling and really getting into how to get rid of those annoying, useless, overused filler words. I am currently watching a Netflix show called Longmire. If you have not checked it out, please do so. My husband and I are definitely enjoying it. And you might also enjoy this little fun fact that the star, Mr. Longmire himself, is actually Australian, but you would never know it from his very American accent. He sounds great. What a pro. This is not about accent reduction. Don't click off the video. You're in the right place if you want to learn to get rid of filler words. But the reason I bring this up is he is very cool and very suave. For those of an older generation, think John Wayne. However, in 2 different episodes, he had very difficult conversations to address. And this is what one of them sounded like just last night. He is a widow, and he was trying to ask someone out, and he hadn't done so in many years. So he approached the conversation like this. I wanted, and if you found that half a second painful, you should listen to the entire episode. It was so painful, it was so obvious, and the woman actually responded, wow, that was painful. So why do I bring this up? Many of you are using too many filler words, and as a result, your listener or listeners recognize how uncomfortable you are. And in business, this will make you sound indecisive and lacking confidence. So getting rid of those useless words is very important in order for you to exude confidence and executive presence in your meetings. What are filler words? Filler words are, my definition is any word that does not add content to your message. For example, like, you know. All of these words can just be deleted on a transcript because they're not adding any value to what you're saying. So let's talk about how to get rid of them so that you can always sound like the expert you are. Step number 1 is to become aware. And how do we become aware? Record yourself. Record 2 minutes. You will be very surprised, many of you, at how many you actually have. Number 2, notice a pattern. Some people just start every sentence with It's almost like a springboard. They can't communicate until they start with the And other people are not comfortable with silence or thinking on their feet. So the minute they have to think, they throw in a filler word or 2 or 3. So notice your pattern. Also notice, are you only using or or what I call a variety pack? Like, you know, so, actually. Any word that does not add content to your message is a filler word. Number 3, anticipate when you are about to use a word. The fun of this challenge is you will now hear yourself when you say a filler word. I just did one. But that's okay. That's the 3rd step. That's awareness. And you will be more aware than you were just 10 minutes ago. So the 3rd step, awareness, is a very key step. And number 4 is where the beauty comes in. Just pause. Be silent. Be comfortable with what you're saying and knowing that your listener will stay there. while you're thinking on your feet. So to recap those 4 steps, 1, become aware. 2, recognize your pattern. 3, begin to anticipate when you're going to use one of those filler words. And 4, be comfortable with silence. And by the way, very, very simply, in this book, Communicate Up the Corporate Ladder, How to Succeed in Business with Clarity and Confidence, on page 69, I believe, 69, you can review these 4 steps as many times as you want. They're quick and they're easy. My barometer is to never use greater than 2 in 2 minutes. When you get rid of the filler words, you will exude confidence and professionalism in person and on the virtual call. So remember those 4 steps. Remember to check out Longmire, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss out on any great content.